Hi, and welcome back to the Ready for Remodel show, where we virtually tour fixer homes on the internet and show you how to buy a fixer home with a fixer loan. Hi, my name is Skip Shanker, and I'm the Regional Renovation Sales Manager for Loan Depot. And today we're going to preview a fixer home in Sacramento. And the listing agent says that the remodel is about 80% done. So it looks like someone got in there, they started to do the remodel and may have run out of money. Whatever the case is, it's being sold and it's not complete. So unfortunately, the listing agent hasn't been properly informed by her lender that financing is available because she's marketing the property as cash only. And so Katie, call me. I can hook you up with a loan. So anyway, let's check out and show you how you can get an FHA loan on a house that's not complete. I'm going to switch my monitors and share my screen. So here we are. This is the house, and it's in North Sacramento, just south of the 80 freeway, close to the airport, close to downtown. It's a really nice location. It's got that beautiful tree right in the front yard, and the front yard is all fenced in. So if you have a dog or kids, what a great house to raise a family, and it's very well protected. So this house says remodel all over it. The outside needs to be painted, and let's take a look and see what the inside looks like. So there again is the outside. It is a beautiful tree. They did a real nice job remodeling the bathroom. You can see the shower and the vanity. Looks like nice flooring and baseboards. Looks like they've got all brand new windows in. The electrical looks like it needs to get done. You can see the wires hanging out from the walls there and there. So that's one thing that's going to need to get done is the electrical system. Like I said, the windows look like they're new and good quality windows. The doors, they got nice 6-panel doors. This, I'm assuming, is the challenging area. You can see you can see the windows. You can see some construction materials and tools. I'm assuming that this is the kitchen because I don't see any pictures of a kitchen here. And if the kitchen was done, they would show it. So it probably needs to have a brand new kitchen. There's the water heater. The electrical panel looks like it needs to be updated and to get completed. So that's not complete either. And the backyard needs some landscaping. So, and again, it's a huge front yard. So looking at buying this house with a fixer loan, which is a renovation loan, which is one loan that you can use to buy that house and complete it and fix it up. So we're talking about one loan that's going to include enough money to finish all the electrical, finish the paint, finish the kitchen, and whatever else needs to get done. So let's look at the financial scenarios that I created. So I'm thinking somewhere between $25,000 and $50,000 is going to get this house in great shape. And so we looked at two scenarios, one at $25,000 for home improvements and one at 50, both on the FHA 203K renovation loan and our conventional renovation loan. The FHA you can get in with just 3.5% down, and the conforming conventional loan you can get in with just 5% down. So if you bought this house at the list price for $219 and included $25,000, your down payment and closing costs is $18,253, and your total monthly payment is just $1,616. That includes principal and interest on the loan, property taxes, insurance, and mortgage insurance. Now, if you increased your budget from $25,000 to $50,000 on an FHA loan, you're increasing your down payment less than $2,000. So you're going to bring in $2,000 more, less than $2,000 more up to less than 20,000, and your monthly payment goes to 1778. So for an extra $25,000, that's a small price to pay, both in the upfront for your down payment and closing costs and your monthly payments. So great way to look at the difference between investing 25,000 or 50,000 in your home. Now let's look at our conventional renovation loans. One of the benefits of getting a conventional loan over an FHA is you don't have the upfront mortgage insurance. So you see on FHA 4183 for this first scenario with $25,000 in home improvements, 4695 for this scenario for $50,000 in home improvements. You don't have any upfront mortgage insurance that's being financed in the loan. So that saves you money. With 5% down and with the interest rate at 3 and 3.75 as opposed to 3.99 for the FHA, your total monthly payment is just $1,519 with a total cash to close of less than $22,000. That's the conventional scenario with $25,000 in home improvements. So what we're saying is bring us a bid from a contractor. That bid, if that bid is $25,000, this is what your down payment, closing costs, and monthly payment is going to be. If you want to do some extra work, perhaps, and I didn't see a garage there, perhaps build a garage in the back. And let's say that increases your bid up to $50,000. Your down payment and closing costs is less than $24,000 to close, and your total monthly payment is about $1,664. So this works for any property that you see out there. This is not just for this particular property. And again, we're trying to educate the real estate professionals. There is financing available for homes like this that are in disrepair, where there is no kitchen or bathroom, or the roof leaks, or the windows are broken. It doesn't matter what condition the property's in. We can finance it, and we can give the new buyer, the new homeowner, the money that it needs to get that house fixed up, dialed in, and customized the way they want it. I'm Skip Shanker, and if you want to reach me, you can reach me here on my toll-free number, 800-385-3503. I'm with Loan Depot. And also, I would love for you to go to my YouTube page. My YouTube page is, where is it? It's Ready4Remodel, where you can buy fixer homes with fixer loans, and subscribe, like, and share these videos so we can help spread the word that you can get financing for fixer homes with a small down payment and get all the money you need to remodel it the way you want so you can thrive in your new house. I'm Skip Shanker. Until the next Ready for Remodel, be safe out there.